Hey everyone, welcome to our enterprise software project management video series. In this video, we'll look into the execution phase where the actual coding begins, which turn requirements to software product. This is where plans are put into action. Working software is delivered in sprints and quality becomes a shared responsibility. From sprint planning to build, test, readiness for handover. This phase drives progress. The execution phase is where these key activities take place. Sprint planning, retrospectives, designing and developing solutions, executing sprints, preparing for system testing in UAT, and designing the operation support model. Each of these ensures that delivery is structured, iterative, and outcome focused. Agile delivery begins with clear roles and responsibilities. Ensure every team member understands their roles: product owner, scrum master, developer. Plan sprints using a prioritized backlog and commit to achievable outcomes. Use definition of ready and design checklists to validate stories before implementation. Integrate security scans into every sprint build, and each sprint with a retrospective to reflect, adapt, and improve. As we build, every user story must be implemented with traceability to the original requirement. Follow development standards and reusable components to maintain consistency. Each working increment should undergo peer review, unit testing, and functional testing. This is your first line of quality defense. Testing is not a phase. It's a continuous part of development. Incorporate unit and functional testing into the definition of done of every story. Track defects, resolve them early, and maintain high test coverage to reduce risk during later stages. This ensures your solution is not just built, but it's also validated. Quality assurance is everyone's job. Conduct peer reviews to catch issues early. Use checklists to validate compliance and security. Don't overlook non-functional requirements such as performance and scalability. Your code base should always be ready for the next phase: testing, demo, or deployment. Security and compliance must run in parallel with development. Conduct vulnerability assessments and run automated security scans. Review integrations to ensure data protection across systems, and where applicable, run load and performance tests to validate system behavior under pressure. As you approach the end of sprints, start planning for system integration testing in UAT. Ensure all test data, environment, and scripts are ready. Align business users for UAT. Confirm timelines and communicate expectations. Before UAT kickoff, validate that all acceptance criteria are met. Support planning begins in execution, not after go live. Define your hypercare support model and establish roles across L1, L2, and L3 support tiers. Conduct knowledge transfer sessions and draft SOPs for issue handling. Operational readiness is just as important as technical delivery. Let's look at the execution phase flow. Start with sprint planning daily stand-ups, build and test solutions, conduct reviews and retrospectives, run quality and security checks, then prepare for testing and support handover. This cycle keeps delivery agile, traceable, and scalable. Key deliverables from this phase would be working increments of the software, unit functional test results, sprint program traceability reports, QA checklists, peer review logs, security scan reports, and also your draft support model with RACI definitions and escalation paths. If any of these are missing, circle back before moving forward. To strengthen your execution further, you can implement a defect management plan to triage and track issues, change request process to manage evolving scope, live monitoring dashboards for sprint progress, DevOps audit trails for compliance, technical debt tracker to manage deferred fixes, and an ongoing lessons learned log to fuel improvement. That's a wrap of the execution phase. Stay tuned for the next video where we explore delivery phase, including UAT, deployment, and cutover planning. If this helped you, drop a like and do comment with any of your questions. See you around. Thank you.